and I am so obsessed. Look at how gorgeous these nails are. Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to give you an up close and personal look into LA Colors Cosmetics newly released Lavish Artificial Nail Collection. This collection was released during December of 2020 and I am so obsessed. Look at how gorgeous these nails are. So in this video, I'm going to share with you each pack. And this is LA Colors Cosmetics' very first time releasing long in length, coffin shape and or stiletto shape artificial nails. And each design is so gorgeous. I mean, look at this. LA Colors came all the way through. Now, if you happen to be a newbie passing through and you're new to this channel, well, welcome to the channel. My name is actually Glam, and I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look, and in this case, a even more fabulous salon ready manicure. So we're just going to dig right on into this box, and while I'm doing this, I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload. So the first set of nails I have to share with you is called Allure, and this is what Allure is looking like. I'm loving the fact that these are neutral nails. They in coffin shape, but they giving you glittered French tips, and you have the faux diamonds on the nails. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. The quality of these nails have exceeded my expectations, and as I've already stated, I will be applying a particular set in this video so you can see the quality once applied. The next pack I have to share with you is called Wild Rush, and oh my gosh, do you not see the animal print type design? Again, these are in the coffin shape, and honestly, who don't need some animal instinct in their life? And just like the first set that I've shared with you, these also have some gems added onto the nails. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. The next ones I have to share with you is called Venus, and Venus is serving pure ombre French kind of vibes. Okay, these are also in the coffin shape, and they have the faux diamond gems already applied on the actual artificial nail, and these nails are definitely serving high salon quality look, but without the high salon quality cost. So the next pair of nails I have to share with you is called La Vola, and OMG, stiletto shape, long in length, high luxe look without the high luxe look cost. Okay, these are serving a whole other kind of vibe for me. I'm loving that it also has the faux diamond gems just like the rest of the nails, but with this pack in particular, they included some metallic colored stiletto nails. I felt was super cute and definitely brought out more of the luxe feel and look with these stiletto nails right here. So the next pair I have is called Grandeur, and this is what they're looking like. I kind of feel like these are more a little on the neutral side, but at the same time they're giving you a luxe look by incorporating the full stiletto glittered nail, and they're giving you some marble S type design on the accent nails, and then the stiletto shape. Yeah, these will have your fingertips looking so lavish. And the last pair I have to share with you is called Posh, and oh, the name Posh honestly speaks for itself. I'm thoroughly impressed with this artificial nail collection that LA Colors have curated. Each of them have exceeded my expectations. They can definitely rival the salon type finish looks when you go to the salon and get your nails done like this, but you're not going to pay that high salon cost, and I'm thoroughly impressed. So now what I'm going to do is apply a pack, but I don't even know which ones I want to apply, so just keep watching and we're gonna see. Okay, Glam Dolls, so you all are in for such a treat, because instead of me applying one set, I decided to apply these two sets right here. La Vola and Venus. So I'm going to apply them each separately so you get a chance to see what the stiletto shapes is looking like when applied, and the coffin shape what it's looking like once it is applied. And I'm going to start out with the stiletto shape. Okay, glam dolls, I'm going to begin by using my Onyx Professional 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. I'm going to take this white cotton ball and just remove any nail polish or debris that may be on my nail bed, as well as the oils from my fingertips. And then once I finish doing that, I'm going to take an emery board and just buff my nail. Not file it, I'm just going to buff it to create a rigid surface so that when I apply the artificial nails, they'll be able to adhere that much better. So speaking of adhering, I've been using my adhesive glue tabs. I no longer use the liquid glue when applying my artificial nails, simply because I refuse to commit to a single set of nails at this point. I mean, the artificial nail game have leveled up so good that I don't even want to wear a particular set of nails for a long period of time. So with the adhesive glue tabs, as you can see, they super easy to apply, and they will last typically about 1 to 2 days on my nails, but that's enough time for me and my preference since I swap my nails out on a semi-daily basis. So now I've just applied the first nail, and it was super easy to apply using the adhesive glue tabs. That's another thing I love. There's no mess when applying these nails with the actual glue tab. These nails in particular are the stiletto shaped version of the LA Colors Lavish Artificial Nail Collection that I've just shared with you earlier in this video. And it's a super easy process. You just take the adhesive glue tab, apply it onto your nail bed, peel the little backing off of it, and then you apply the artificial nail of choice to your nail, and then easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Before, after, and voila. So what do you dolls think? Not bad to say that I didn't go to a nail salon, but I do have a nail salon quality look. Now, one tiny little thing that bothered me with these nails on my pinky as I was applying them, the rhinestone, you know, the faux diamond stones, they came off. So I was a little bit disappointed with that, but I'm also happy that it came off while I was sitting here doing that. So I'm going to take some crazy glue and put them back on the actual artificial nail right here, and then on the existing nails that have the faux diamonds on them, I'm just going to do a coat of crazy glue to make sure that these stones don't actually come off. That was the only small little peeve I have with it. Other than that, absolutely love the quality. Okay, exceeding my expectations, definitely giving me salon ready look without the salon ready course. Okay, so next up is going to be the Venus coffin shaped nails, in which I will be applying next. Okay dolls, just to speed up the video, this is what Venus is looking like once applied. These are the coffin shaped versions, and this is the stiletto shaped versions. And once again, they both honestly have exceeded my expectations. I didn't have any problems with the gems on this particular nail set far as coming off, but just for precautionary reasons, I will apply a little bit of crazy glue just to make sure that the gems be secured. But this is what the coffin shape design is looking like, and like I said, this is the stiletto shape design, and together this was the LA Colors collection right here. Super impressed. Yeah, LA Colors did that. So on that note dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Each set that I've shared and showed you will be listed down in the description box below. These sets are available in your local drugstores, so make sure you check there for supplies. In the meantime, I'm gonna get out of here, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later dolls.